Hamad al-Zahri, and today we're gonna react to PewDiePie's the Diamond Play Button Part 2. But I already reacted to Part 1, so I couldn't do a video for it. So let's react to the second one. I'm sorry for not doing the first one. I was too lazy to already do it. So let's just react to it. Okay. Let's put full screen first. Okay. Now let's do it.
Somewhere, deep within the vastness of YouTube, a man cometh.
Cometh? So good, man. So good as well. There's the Diamond Play button. And there's the YouTube cake. Where did he get that from? I want that.
Who the fuck is that?
What's that?
I think it's me.
The yellow.
Check it out. Hello? Who is it?
Hear ye, hear ye. This message coming from the House of YouTube is intended for the Right Honorable Felix Albert of
But from where?
Selberg, also known as PewDiePie. We wish to express our deepest, most profound apology for the delay of your Diamond Play Button award. It is not our wish to displease you or your formidable bro army. This is why we have provided you with your horse and glitter. And now for your Diamond Play Button.
Finally. It's about damn time. The legends were true.
They were true.
It exists.
They were
Oh my.
true.
So heavy.
Oh my God. Oh my God. They were
Yes!
true.
Finally!
No, Cinnamon Toast Gun, don't even dare touch people. No, Cinnamon Toast Gun.
Cinnamon Toast King. You son of a bitch. How dare you show your face around these parts?
I'm here to claim what's mine.
Not
Diamond Play
your
Button.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. You see this? See this? See this? See this? Is that what I think it is? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What? 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 Oh my God! The cattle man!
Get back here, Ken, you son of a bitch. That's my play button.
Yeah! This play button! Use it! You didn't earn it!
No! How could you do this? Ah! How could this happen? YouTube. I have one last wish. Give me another play button.
Yeah, give him another service.
Oh!
What?
Yeah!
Cancel! Okay, so I think Pewds, he was strong, but Cinnamon Toast Gun, I don't know why he stole it. I don't know why he just stole it. He didn't want it. He just stole it. He didn't ask PewDiePie to get it. Okay, I think what YouTube should do is make a gold and a diamond play button together to make 100 million subscribers. And that's all I can do for now. And if you like this video, please please, 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 please put your finger on the like button, and I would love you to subscribe for more. And I am out. Bye bye.